Hey folks, welcome back to Vidya's Vegetarian Kitchen, and today I'm going to share a vibrant, delicious, healthy Palak Paneer recipe. And for this, we are starting by chopping half of medium-sized onion, 2 green chilies and a handful of cilantro. I'm going to saute all this in 1 teaspoon of oil. Basically I'm going to saute the onion along with ginger garlic paste and green chilies until the onions turn translucent, and then I'm going to add handful of cilantro and let it wilt. While that's happening, I want to talk about the meal combo that I showed initially. The platter had millet wheat roti, jeera millet. Instead of jeera rice, I used millets, and palak paneer, methi dal, and sweet potato fry. I have shared all the recipes on my Tamil YouTube channel. Do check it out. And it's not as difficult to incorporate millets as we think. I used millet flour and combined it with wheat flour and made the roti. And I made pulav. Instead of jeera rice, instead of rice, I used millets. So it's easy, like small, simple swaps. And, that comes a long way. So all those recipes are on my Tamil channel. Please do check it out and I'll share the link. And now coming back to the palak paneer. We need 8 ounces of paneer, and I'm just chopping them into small cubes and gonna be soaking them in hot water. That's what you're seeing here. Small cubes are sufficient. This will help soften the paneer. And now coming to the spinach. For me, palak paneer has to be really vibrant. I want that bright green color. And how do we get that? It's by blanching. And I'm gonna show you how to do that. I'm taking 8 ounces of spinach here and add about 4.5 to 5 cups of hot water, really piping hot water. Just make sure the entire spinach is immersed in that hot water and let it sit for 4 minutes. That's it. We don't want to cook it. And immediately drain the water. And if you have ice cold water, add it, or some ice cubes also works well. Just run it through cold water so that cooking stops. And this is how I typically blanch my spinach for raita and for palak paneer. And if I want to incorporate this into roti, this is how I do. The palak raita recipe is on my blog. So let them cool. And now we are going to blend the spinach along with sauteed onions. And even after blending, just look at that color. It still retains that vibrant green color because that's what blanching does. You don't need to worry about even after grinding, look at that color. I just love that. For me, that's how palak paneer needs to be. And now we are going to start with the base curry. Temper some cumin seeds along with spices. All the measurement details are on the screen and the recipe is also on my blog. I'll share the link. Make sure the heat is low. We don't want to burn the spices. And now add the pureed spinach along with half a cup of water. You can rinse the mixer jar and add it. And now add salt. I'm adding 1.5 teaspoon salt. You can adjust to taste and bring this to a gentle simmer. And now we are going to add paneer and again bring it to a gentle simmer. And then finally I'm going to do a extra step that takes it to that Vera level taste or next level taste. All I'm going to do is saute some garlic and red chili powder in ghee, and I'm going to add it to the palak paneer, that vibrant green color with that vibrant red color tadka. It's so inviting. Sometimes we want our food to be visually appealing and inviting, and that's what it does. And if you notice, I only use 2 green chilies, and towards the end I'm using only 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. I want my palak paneer to be in this way. And you can also add some cream towards the end if you want it slightly on the sweeter side, but you can avoid cream if you want it to be on little healthy side with low calorie. And that's it. Palak paneer is ready, and this is the entire meal combo. Like I said, all these recipes are on my Tamil channel, and I'll be sharing the methi dal next. Stay tuned and subscribe for more recipes. Thank you.